In this video, we'll see what are args in Python. So args are nothing but it's a parameter that will pack all the arguments into a tuple, useful so that a function can accept a varying amount of arguments. So we'll see how it is useful. So let's take an example, which is func, which takes 3 arguments, a, b, c, and here I'll be writing some logic, sum equal to 0, and for I in a comma b comma c, and now I'll be adding this I to the sum. Sum plus is equal to I, and I'll return the sum. And let me call this function now, print func, and here I'll be passing the numbers. Okay, so the expected output is 6. Okay, 3 plus 2, 5, 6. Okay, now if I try to run it, Python args.py. Okay, so here is our output, that is 6. What happens if I add another element, which is 4? Will it run? Okay, 6 plus 4 is 10. Will be getting 10 or not? We'll see that. Let me run it again. Okay, here we are getting an error. Okay, func takes 3 positional arguments, but 4 were given. Okay, so here we are giving 3 arguments, 3 parameters or arguments, but we are giving the 4 arguments. Okay, so that is the reason it is giving me the error. So if I add d here, that will clear this. Okay, that will run fine. Okay, here I need to add d also. Okay, now it will be 10. Okay, so you cannot add continuously, you cannot add elements like this. Okay, so here args, asterisk args will help you to give n number of arguments. Okay, here args will be useful. Asterisk and args will be useful here to give n number of arguments. Okay, just by passing the asterisk, you can give n number of arguments. So we'll see that. Let me remove this and let me define a function which is arguments. And here I'll pass a asterisk. And after asterisk, you can give any name. It's not necessary to give args. You can give any name. Okay, let's say I'll give it as num or numbers. Okay. Okay. And here sum equal to 0. And I'll give the for loop here, which is for I in numbers. Sum will be added to I, and I'll return the sum. And I'll call the function, which is arguments, print arguments. And here I'll be passing the numbers. So here you can see n number of arguments can be given here. Okay, I pass 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and if I try to run it, so what is the output of this? 5 plus 4, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15. So let me clear this out and let me run this Python args.py. You'll be getting the 15. Okay, so here asterisk and whatever the variable name we have given, that is taking all these arguments. Okay, that is taking all these numbers. Okay, instead of passing each argument like this. Okay, in earlier example, how we passed how we passed arguments like this. Instead of doing that, this will help. Okay, this will do it. This will do this. Okay, but here, what if I want to change this this number into another number? Can we change that? No, you cannot change it because it's a tuple. Okay, whatever the arguments we are passing after this asterisk, that is a tuple. Okay, these numbers are completely tuple. Okay, if I try to change this, let's say numbers of 0. Okay, 0 index, I want to change it. I want to change it to 1. Okay, it is already 1. Okay, let me change it to 0. Okay, instead of 1, I'll be getting 0 here, but it will not work because it's a tuple. You'll get an error. I try to run this args.py. Here you can see tuple object does not support as item assignment. Okay, so that is what I was saying. You cannot assign or modify the values for tuple. Let me change this to a list. Then you can modify the numbers. Okay, I am converting this tuple into a list. So remember, this numbers is nothing but a tuple. Okay, I am converting this numbers into a list. And now, if I want to change this numbers, I want to change the index of 0 to, let's say, 0. And what will be the output? Earlier, the output was 15. Okay. So now, if I clear this, okay, and if I run it, you'll be getting 14. So that is how we can we can make use of these args for passing n number of parameters. So in this way we can do this. Okay, if you have any doubts, please post your comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share this video.